Hi everyone, it's Miss Jess with this week's recipe, grilled cheese. Here's what you'll need. A plate, 2 slices of bread, shredded cheese, I'm using cheddar, and a toaster or toaster oven. First, place the slices of bread in the toaster or toaster oven. Wait until they're nice and crispy and take them out. Be careful, they may be hot. Next, put them on your plate and sprinkle cheese on top of both slices. Then put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Take it out, then put one piece of bread on top of the other. And there you have it, a grilled cheese sandwich. Now eat and enjoy!